Hello rockers, I'm Himanshu here. Do you also want this type of neat and clean outro so that your edit looks even more attractive? Then today, I'm going to give you 4 such outros for free. Here's the preview. I hope you find them helpful. These outros were all created in the nodevideoapp. These outros will definitely make your edit attractive. If you have any issues with these outros, you can DM me on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and comment on what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching.